Hi everyone, welcome to JSET classes. In today's video, we are going to introduce to you the DC Pandey's Physics NEET book. So let's open it and find what are the contents of the book. The book comes in two volumes. The volume 1 is for class 11th and the volume 2 is for class 12th. So let's look at what are the contents of the book. The book is written by DC Pandey sir. It's Arihant Publications. So let's check what are the contents of the book. So the chapter is divided into various sections and important topics and subtopics are highlighted. Solved examples are there. Then after that checkpoints are there. Then part A, taking it together section and has objective questions of the concerned chapter. And then we have part B, that is medical entrance special format questions. Then part C is medical entrance gallery. So let's look at the contents. The syllabus is given for the class +1, and then we have contents. Then we have the contents. There is a basic mathematics section. I think this section will help you a lot. If you learn this, the mathematics involved in physics will be helpful for all of you. Some students who are taken the options without max in their +1 and +2, these section will really help them. Also, I think if you learn these things, it will really help you in solving problems in NEET exam. So here comes the first chapter, unit dimensions and error analysis, and all the topics are given. Then you must units, then units are divided into different subtopics. Then we have dimensions of physical quantities. Then I think with each the topic they are given certain examples are also given, so that you can test the concept you have just learned from the topics. Examples are given. Then we have dimensions of physical quantity, second topic. Then examples for it also is given. Then we have applications of dimension analysis. All the applications of dimensional analysis are given. First, checking the dimensional consistency of equation, then certain examples are given for it. Then we have the second application to convert physical quantities, then examples are given for it. Then deducing relations between physical quantities are given and certain examples are provided for it. Then we have defects of dimensional analysis, and there is a checkpoint. In checkpoint, this checkpoint is 1.1 checkpoint. So in this checkpoint, actually I think we are analyzing the various questions we have learned up to this section. Then we have significant figures, the third section, the rules to determine the significant figures and their examples, mathematical operations of significant figures, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Then we have rounding off, examples, order of magnitude, then the second checkpoint. Then we have errors in measurement, random errors, systematic errors, expression of errors, absolute errors, relative or fractional error, percentage error, and the various other examples are given for these, and the combination of errors, errors in sum of difference, and examples are given for each errors in some examples. Then error in product division, then example for it. Error in quantity raised to some power, then certain examples are provided for all this. And at the end there is a checkpoint 1.3 is given. So this chapter is divided into 3 sections, and each section we have checkpoint after that section. And at the end of the chapter there is chapter exercise, that is taking it together. So this is questions, MCQ questions based on all the concept that we have learned up to this. The second section is medical entrance special format questions, and in this section we can find the assertion reason type questions, and then we have match the column type questions, and then the third part we have medical entrance gallery, and here we can find all the previous year question papers. I think up to 80 years question papers are ordered in this book, and the answers are given, and at the end here hints and explanations are given. Okay, that's all about the chapters. And the second chapter and so on, the same format is followed for all the chapters. And so let's look at what at the end of the book. There may be some previous year question papers solved. Oh yes, here is NEET, AIMS and JIPMER solved papers. 2017 paper is there, and also answers with explanations is given. Then we have 2018 paper is here, and answers are provided for it also. Then we have 2019 paper for this NEET national level exam, then NEET Odisha exam. The papers are given, and also the answers with hints and explanations are given. So that's all about the first book. The second book, I think there we will find the class 12 syllabus. The same format is followed. Electrostatics syllabus is given, from electrostatics to electronic devices. Then the contents are given, each chapters are given, the subtopics are given, and all the chapters are included with page numbers and subtopics. Then we have at the end here also we can find NEET, AIMS and JIPMER solved papers. So I think this is really helpful for you. That is the NEET previous year papers of these are divided into the 11th syllabus and 12th syllabus. So it will really helpful for you to check your preparation, the level of preparation you've taken. In the similar way, the second book is also arranged. I think the most important point of this book is it has various sections, and at the end of each section we have example problems to check a level of understanding, and the chapter is divided into various sections, and at the end of sections we have checkpoints and to test our knowledge, and at the end of the chapter there is another section to check our knowledge. There is also assertion reason type questions. At the end we have NEET previous year questions. So I think this book will be really helpful for those people who are doing their self-study, and also those who find their coaching materials not sufficient for their study. So I think these books are really good. Awesome. The price of the books are, the first book, the volume 2 is, the price of volume 2 is $6.99, and that of the volume 1 is also $6.99. So both the books are of same price. So this is all about the DC Pandey's book for NEET. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like the video and also do subscribe my channel, and also do press the bell icon to get further notifications of my future videos. And that's all about today's session, and all the best for your NEET preparations. Keep on studying and do your best. Thank you.